Hi folks, this is Sean Hyman from Chart of the Day, and I want to talk to you today about how to use the stochastics for high probability trades. The first thing, notice this is the first thing that I would do, are mark your trend lines, or you can plot a moving average on there if you're not confident in drawing your own trend lines. You can plot some kind of longer term moving average on the chart, like a 50 SMA, simple moving average, and use that as your guide as well. But either way, you want to get the direction of the trend first, and that's the key. Then interpret that with your stochastics. So in other words, when the trend is up, you want to look for stochastic buy signals to enter. When the trend is down, you want to look for stochastic sell signals to enter. So back over here, we have a buy signal when the lines touch or cross. Technically, your textbook scenario is when it comes down, crosses, and comes up above. But in trading, you don't always get your textbook scenario. So when it comes down and even touches these lines and comes up and crosses, or when it goes down below these lines and comes up and crosses, either way, this is oversold territory, and you should get a bounce back up as long as you're in an uptrend. And I've got the slow stochastics 1433 settings is the ones I happen to use. You can use other settings. These are ones I like. Slow stochastics 1433. And so when this comes down and crosses and turns upward, I can buy here near the trend line. Again, I have, this comes near the trend line and I get a cross here. It's not technically oversold, but if I were aggressive, I could take it near there. However, that is not a textbook case buy signal. When it comes down here, crosses, comes back up above this oversold line, and we're here in this at the trend line. Again, another good time to buy. But then, when the pendulum swings the other way and the trend changes, and this trend line is decisively broken, then we want to plot our downtrend line or use our downward sloping moving average, either one, and look to sell short. So we're looking for sell entries at that point. So when it's in a downtrend, we could care less about buy signals for entry. Now you can exit whenever you want. You can exit on buy signals if you want to, but you have to bias your thoughts in the direction of the trend, and that's where you get your trading edge, because people that take any and every signal regardless of the trend direction will tell you, oh, stochastics doesn't work. Yes, it does work, and it works very well, but it works when you interpret it in light of your trend. Now, if you had a rangeless market and it was totally sideways, that is the one instance where you can use both buy and sell signals equally. However, here we have a downtrend, so we've got a sell signal here. It touches, crosses, and heads down, so we can sell near the downtrend line. Again, we have a cross and it goes below, so we can sell. It's not quite to the downtrend line, but since we get our sell signal, we can take that one. It's a little more aggressive than one near the trend line, but we can still take that. We get our cross, and then it comes down below, so again we can take our sell short here. Again, it hooks up, so as the trade goes in your direction, you'll want to move your stops up so that you can manage your trades and not turn one like this into a loss. Many of these others had much longer runs. But then it makes a higher low, breaks, and comes back above. So now, when this closes back above the downtrend line, this is when we want to forget about sell entries and go back to looking for buy entries. So this is making its way down here again. Should this stochastics come down here and cross either something like this or like this, and it holds above the downtrend line, then we would want to buy again. So you have to say what's the trend direction, and then you have to be willing to switch gears and interpret the slow stochastics in light of the trend direction. So you're looking for buy signals with the uptrend, you're looking for sell entry signals with the downtrend. Thanks so much for watching.